student of Tarlac State University, College of Education. And I'm making this video for compiling in our subject MIA 111 with our Professor Mr. Brian Christopher C. Sico.
Ignition system. This system is responsible to starting the engine by igniting the air and fuel mixture. I will discuss the parts and function first. First one is battery. Battery supplies the electrical energy needed to power the ignition system. Second one is ignition switch. It activates the ignition system when the key is turned or the start button is pressed. Number 3. Ignition coil. It converts the low voltage current from the battery into high voltage current needed to create a spark. Number 4. Distributor. This is usually used in older systems. It directs the voltage current to the correct spark plug at the right time. Ignition control module. It usually used in a modern system. It replaces the distributor by electronically controlling spark timing. Number 6. Spark plugs. It generates the actual spark to ignite the air and fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The last one is ECU, or Electrical Control Unit. This is usually used in modern systems. It controls the timing and operation of the ignition system using sensors and data. How the ignition system works. First step in the ignition system is the turning the ignition key or pressing the start button. When the driver turns on the key or presses the start button, it sends the electrical signal from the car's battery to the ignition system. Step 2. Power flows to the ignition coil. The battery sends low voltage electricity to the ignition coil. The coil's job is to convert this into high voltage current strong enough to create a spark. Number 3 is distributor. For the older systems, in traditional ignition system, the high voltage current flows to the distributor, which directs the electricity to the correct spark plug based on engine timing. And for the newer cars with the distributor-less ignition systems, a computer or ignition control module does his job. Step 4. Spark plug receive high voltage. The spark plug gets a strong electric current from the coil or distributor. This creates a spark at the tip of the spark plug. Step 5. Spark ignites the air-fuel mixture. The spark occurs inside the engine's combustion chamber, where it ignites the compressed air and fuel mixture. Step in the ignition system is combustion powers the engine. This small explosion pushes the piston down, turning the crankshaft, and that's what gets your engine running.
At doon lang natatapos ang aking munting presentation video. Maraming salamat.